Okay, so we're on to the next part of our ratio and proportion. So just remember ratio, we're thinking of it as unequal sharing, or just remember that kind of term, that concept. Yeah, we're sharing stuff out, but not everyone has the same. Yeah. And then what we're thinking of today is to find the value of the whole and parts if you're only given one part, okay, or if you only, well, yeah, if you're only given one part. So, and I know today yours is questions, you have a chart like this, and this is what we use a lot in ratio to help us work things out and to scale up and to scale down. Okay, so now I've done it very similar to the one on here. Yes, because yours says spoonful of chocolates 2, and it says she needs 4 spoonfuls for every, or for each spoonful of chocolate she needs 4 spoonfuls of flour. So I've changed it just a little bit. Still got 2 spoonfuls of chocolate. I'm going to say to every 6 of flour. Okay, so the ratio is that every 2 of chocolate we have 6 of flour. I could draw that, couldn't I? Like that. For every 2 we have 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Funny enough, this is used quite a lot in baking, ratios of like you need this many to that many. But so, and what you've then got a chart with different parts given. Okay. So, if we work from here, you look at my chart. By knowing that for every 2, I have 6 flour. Yeah, I can write that in, can't I? Okay. And that will give me my total. So, and we can even check it just down here, can't we? So for every 2 you have 6. So the parts all together, 2 and 6, is 8. Okay. So let's take a moment, because they work onwards here. But could we work backwards? Could you work backwards? What do you think the actual, can we, well, it is word simplify, but what is it, the ratio, 2 to 6, what would that also be the same as? Okay. Yeah, we can half both of these, or we can divide both of these by 2 to get back to 1, couldn't we? Okay. So 1 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so our actual ratio is 1 to 3. And the total parts would be 4. Okay. So 1 to 3, 2 to 6 is 8. And here you might start seeing that pattern. Okay. And what we can do, let's say I was given 4. Okay. And I need to work out the rest. Can you work out the rest if you just know that you need 4 spoonfuls? Well, the answer is because you've been given a ratio, yes, you can. Yes. So for every 2, you need 6. Yeah. 2 is doubled to 4. So 6 will need to be doubled to 12. Okay. And then that will give us how many parts in total? We've got 4 to 12. It's going to give us 16, isn't it? Okay. And so on and so forth. We could fill this in just here. I know you've got, in yours, there's 1.5 spoonfuls in between here. Okay. Well, we could do that, couldn't we? We could do, if I do it here, because I'm giving myself, well, I can, I've got a rubber. I can write 1 in. If we could then put that 2, 6 back in there. 8. Okay, so what halfway, 1.5. And then we do so 1.5 halfway between 3 and 6 is 4.5. Yeah, and if we add those together, 4.5 add 1.5, well 4 add 1 is 5, 0.5 add 0.5 is 6. And you can see we're halfway in between there. So it keeps, you scale up each time. as you fill in your chart or as you're filling anything. So if you're given a ratio, you can then use that ratio, like here, 2 spoonfuls to 6 of flour. You can use that ratio to find out if you had 4, 6, 8, whatever, okay? Or if someone said, well, actually, you've got 18. We've got 18 spoonfuls of flour, okay? Yeah, so you could, if I know 18, so I've got 6, I've got 12, I've got 18, 2, 4, 6, yeah, which gives me a total of 24. Okay, so there we go. That's scaling up and down using that chart, so you should be able to move on to this now. Okay, so set your chart out in the same way, or obviously use the one if you can print this out. Okay, and then let's have a think about where Coco goes wrong. All right, good luck.